So we'll be turning left here, the lights, green. So, yeah. And can signal again, check your blind spot and get in there. Yeah. So when you stop, just before the white line and freeze. So since we are the first one in the lineup on the left hand, so when once the light changes to green, you must look left and right and enter the intersection, keep your wheel straight, and watch for the pedestrian, any traffic. Yeah, look left and right and enter, and keep your wheel straight. See all the cars going straight or turning right, they have the priority over us. Yeah, look here and good. Okay, let's get it out here. In the first lane, pick up speed and switch to the right lane. Blind spot here.